How to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying for the sales tax permit in Texas. So this process is quick and simple, so ensure that you watch the entire video not to miss any important steps. Initially, you have to head over the provided URL that says comptroller.texas.gov/taxes/permit and hit enter in your Google Chrome web browser. Then this will take you to this kind of interface from where you have to now click on the link that says apply for permit through the e-systems. Click on it. And as soon as you do this, you will be taken to this kind of interface where you have to first enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field, followed by the password in the second field. So let's do it. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or the password, you can go ahead and click on this forgot user ID and forgot password link in order to successfully reset your user ID and the password successfully. After you have entered the correct form of your user ID and the password in the first and the second field, simply go ahead and click on the login button that is highlighted in yellow color in order to successfully log into your eSystems account and complete the application process for the sales tax permit in Texas. So this is a precise method to apply for the sales tax permit in the Texas. So I trust you found this video beneficial. If you did, kindly comment below to let us know, and remember to like and subscribe for more similar content like this. Thank you for watching.